Hey guys, and welcome to my channel and welcome to another Vlogmas video. Today I'm going to be doing a little bit of a DIY. So we are going to make our 2018 baubles. For the past 3 years we've had like a bauble every year, and I will show you the 2016 and the 2017 baubles that I purchased. So for 2016 we had this one. You can see it says expecting baby March 2016, Karen and Robert. 2017 we got these made up, so an A, a K and an R, and on the back of it has 2017. So this year we're going to be making our own baubles, so without further ado, let's jump in and see how that goes. This year I've decided just to kind of paint them, just as like a little activity that we can do. So I got these 4 or 6, so you can see the shiny ones and then the matte ones. So we're going to be using the shiny ones. I bought this white paint and also some silver paint, and a set of brushes as well. So we had this pink paint, a blue paint, and I had this like red glitter or craft sand. So I'm just going to see what it turns out like. But basically we're going to do our handprint on a bauble each, and then just decorate it from there, and then we'll write 2018 on it, and that will be our decoration for that year.
Whoa, oh, oh. Da, 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 oh, oh. Da, 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 oh, oh. Da, 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 da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. 'Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been wrapping presents for you. I've been hanging marbles in the tree, and I've lit my house with Christmas lights. So you should come back home to me. And when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols that you love. We'll be singing all the melodies until the sun comes up. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas.
So that pretty much went as you'd imagine it goes. So I'm just gonna try my own now. Everybody's abandoned me, so I'm just gonna try my own. I washed the baubles again because Ava had just paint all over them. But Ava, I finally got it. Robert got his first go. So basically I just want to do a hand. Also Ava's hands are really cut up from her eczema, so it's not really working. So hopefully I can do my own right. And there we have it. My hand is there, barely, but yeah. So I'm just gonna store this and I'll come back and we'll decorate them then. It'll be easier to decorate them after that.
Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories.
Well, I'm all for Christmas, all the happy smiles and the wishes, and I want it all from the lights to the mistletoe. Tell me one thing, is there anything that you're missing? I will keep you warm as soon as you remove that snow. Whatever we do, we will be alright. These holiday wonders will open your mind. May all your wishes tonight come true. The love I lived, the dream I knew. This Christmas I only wanna be close to you. Whatever we do, we will be alright. These holiday wonders will open your mind. May all your wishes tonight come true. The love I lived, the dream I knew. Well, I'm all for Christmas. It's a magical time full of kisses. Take a walk outside and tickle the snowman's nose. Moving nimbly, did you hear something from the chimney? I will keep you warm as soon as you remove that snow. Oh, whatever we do, we will be alright. These holiday wonders will open your mind. May all your wishes tonight come true.
So there you have it. The bauble turned out pretty good. It's here on the tree. It turned out pretty good. Like, it went as you'd imagine it went with a toddler. It was kind of hard to get her to put her handprint on it, and then we had to do it, like, we had 6 balls and we literally had to go through the 6 balls in order to get a sufficient handprint on it. I had to rewash them. I had to wash off all the paint and like do it again. Mine turned out grand. Robert hasn't done his yet. Robert hasn't finished his yet, should I say, so I'll get him to do that later and I'll just stick it on the tree. But I'm happy with how mine turned out. I did find a Pinterest of this, which is how I thought of the idea, and I'll have that linked below. It doesn't look anything like the Pinterest, but I'm pretty happy with it. Like, I think in the years to come I will be happy that we did this. This is Ava's one, you know, like, it is what it is. I mean, she's 2, you know, she's not an artist, so but I love it. And then, as I said, mine was this one, and they were all supposed to be on the shiny balls, but by the time we got Ava's handprint, it was on this matte ball, so that's okay. And then I do have 2018 wrote in her ball over here. So in the years to come, when I'm an old senile lady, I won't remember the year, but it will be wrote on it. So yes, that is today's video. I hope that you've enjoyed it. If you did, I'd love if you give it a thumbs up. If you've missed any of my Vlogmas videos, I will have them linked below for you to check out. And don't forget to subscribe and like, and I will talk to you very soon. Bye.